Hello, Silly Bakers. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier treats. My focus is higher protein, higher fiber, and great healthy fats. So today we're making a zucchini cottage cheese egg bake. And this recipe is actually a mashup of two recipes that my mom used to make us growing up. The first one is her frittata recipe, and the second is her fried zucchini recipe. So her frittata recipe was incredibly simple and was often a very quick and simple lunch or even dinner for us growing up. And it was basically eggs, parmigiano cheese, parsley, garlic, a little breadcrumb, salt, pepper, and I think that was it. And then she would fry it in a little olive oil in a frying pan, and then she would flip it just once. And that was it. And it was so incredibly simple, but so super flavorful and delicious. The other thing she used to make us was fried zucchini. So she used to fry zucchini in olive oil until it was golden brown, and then she would crack a few eggs into it and then scramble the eggs into the zucchini and the olive oil, and we would have it with crusty Italian bread, and it was phenomenal. So we're coming towards the end of August, and that means the end of zucchini season. So you guys may have some zucchini lying around in your kitchen, so this is a great opportunity for you to use it. I decided to add some cottage cheese to the recipe to really boost the protein. This recipe serves 4, but you can easily double the recipe. I'm using a 9x9 in the original recipe, but if you're going to double the recipe, you're going to use a 9x13 pan and it'll serve 8. So why don't we make this really incredibly easy lunch recipe? Let's make a zucchini cottage cheese egg bake. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to grab a 9x9 baking dish and you want to lightly grease it. This is just a little olive oil, you can spray it as well. You're going to set that aside. You're going to grab 6 large eggs. This is 3/4 of a cup of cottage cheese, lactose free. This is about 1/2 cup of parmigiano. You could do about 1/3 as well. 1 large zucchini. You can do 2 small zucchinis. I'm going to dice 1/2 an onion, 2 large garlic cloves, or 3 small ones. This is 1/3 a cup of chopped parsley. We're going to grab a saute pan and we're going to add a little olive oil. This is about, I would say about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to heat that up. We're going to add our chopped onion and our zucchini, which is quartered. And we're going to start cooking this through. We want to cook this for, I would say 3 or 4 minutes. We want to get a little color and just soften the veggies. I'm adding just a touch of salt. There's quite a bit of salt in the parmigiano and the cottage cheese, so you want to keep that in mind. And we're going to do a little pepper as well, about 1/4 teaspoon. You can even do Italian chili oil in this as well, which would be really delicious, or even some red pepper flakes. After about 4 minutes, there's a little color, and we're going to add our garlic. And we just want to cook that in our olive oil for, I would say, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. This is on medium heat. We're going to turn off the heat. We have a little color on the veggies, which is great. We're going to add the vegetables to the baking dish in an even layer. And then we're going to set that aside. Now let's make our egg mixture. I like to use a measuring cup. And we're going to add 6 eggs. Our cottage cheese. Again, this is lactose free. You can use whatever cottage cheese you like. The parmigiano, this is again about 1/2 cup. You could do 1/3 cup here as well. And our parsley. A little salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. same amount of pepper. And we're just gonna give it a mix, just until everything's combined. We're gonna grab our baking dish with our veggies, and we're gonna pour our egg mixture over the top. And that's it. And now it's time to bake. 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. And it will come out slightly golden and set. We want to let this cool for about 15 minutes or so before slicing into it. Enjoy our zucchini cottage cheese egg bake with an Italian twist. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy treats. If you do try this zucchini cottage cheese egg bake, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking.